Welcome back everyone to part 4 of the E30 engine rebuild. So, if you haven't watched the previous episode where we disassembled the M20 head, I'm sitting right where it was on the bench, basically. So, today we're gonna be removing the damaged piston from the cylinder. Trying anyway. So, after doing that, we will be determining if the engine needs to be rehoned or if it's fine. We may end up dingle ball honing it, just the cylinder. We may be taking the whole engine to the machine shop. We may be honing all the cylinders ourselves with a drill and changing the piston rings. We don't know yet. So, depends on what we see today. All of that is gonna be decided. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna be vacuuming the debris from the valve and the piston and the spark plug. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so I will be spinning the engine just a little bit every time to release the debris that's stuck between the cylinder and the piston. Okay guys, so now we will be putting the car in gear, holding the brakes to brake the crank. Now we're lifting the car so I could fit under it to pull the oil pan out, so I can take a look at the damaged piston and maybe push it out. So now, I'll be taking my bed, also known as floor mat, laying under there.
We put a jack stand for reinforcement and support.
Safety first.
Safety first. Yup.
Who gives a shit about the car foundation? Okay guys, so we took all the bolts out for the oil pan. Now we're gonna pull it out and see what's inside. Okay guys, so we learned the hard way that you cannot pull the oil pan off with the engine in the car. So we need to raise the engine, and we don't have neither a hoist or the engine crane that sits on the strut towers. So, with that being said, we're gonna pull the engine out and rebuild it on the ground, from the ground up, hopefully. So, we'll be back tomorrow morning. No, tomorrow morning we're gonna take the cylinder head to the machine shop. We may give some videos about the machine shop, so see you then. Okay guys, so this is the next day. It's already night time. So what we did today is we went to the automotive supply store. We got some stuff, brake kit, stuff like that. We got an engine hoist on the way, and we made a major decision. A couple of major decisions anyway. So we went also to the junkyard, as you have seen. We found an E34 with an M20 B25 engine, and we will be putting this engine in this car. So the engine in it is we're going to yank it out, and it's gonna get in the storage unit, which is this facility right here. Along with the other stuff, there's gonna be an engine. Hopefully the new engine fits. I'm worried a little bit about the motor mounts. Anyway, we'll see tomorrow. I know you need the motor mounts from an E30, but the boss is on the E34 engine. I don't know if these motor mounts fits on their engine. Might be Frankensteining it on. I don't know yet. So, that being said, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video, comment down below. See you next time, when we will be pulling this engine out and putting the new engine in. See you then.